Eva Trades.
Hello and welcome to the February 17th trade review. I'm going to break down the trades for you one by one. It was a really small green day, but it was green. I'm long based on the 1-minute EMA backtest and 5-minute higher high in the VWAP breakout. But it's starting to fail, so I'm exiting for a small loss. I'm buying off of support with a limit order, waiting for it to get filled. And then I'm not seeing an immediate move higher, so I take myself out of the trade, break even. One more trade on Pixie. I'm buying off that support with another limit order as I wait for it to get filled. There I'm in, but this time I got flushed out, so no more trades on Pixie after this. I'm up on the stock, but just a little bit. INZY with a 5-minute bear break bull break. I'm buying on the backtest of $3. I'm selling as the 1-minute candle breaks back over its previous high. In on another backtest of $3 and a 2-bar pullback on that 1-minute time frame. Don't trust it enough, and I exited for a small loss. But a show of strength here had me getting back in. I'm exiting at the high of day for a beautiful profit. Long again at the break of the $3 pivot. And I'm selling as it approaches the VWAP. So after breaking the VWAP here, I'm back in on a test of the VWAP twice. And then I'm exiting on strength as it moves towards the high of day. So I'm long here on that next 1-minute candle as it pulls back. And I'm adding again at the VWAP. Not seeing that immediate move higher above resistance, so I exit, break even. Back in as it pulls back to the VWAP. And I'm going to add as it moves higher. And selling for the break of the resistance. Long on the break of the VWAP. And it failed to close above the VWAP, so I exited right there. And looking strong again, so I'm getting back in. But I'm going to exit due to a long upper wick and a failure to break higher. Finished green on INZY, not too bad. Most likely scenario here on DNKG is a 1-minute lower high, but the overall market was bouncing, so I went long anyways. And selling at the high of day, right there. Very nice. Now long at the previous high of day backtest. Selling it quick. Now it looks like it might break, so I'm back in. But I exited at the first sign of weakness. Now buying twice for the breakthrough resistance. but it starts pulling back and I'm out. Another small loss. So I'm back in for the fourth attempt and really need this breakthrough resistance. I know it could happen. Tried 4 times now. And finally getting it. Exiting quick in case it doesn't hold again. Well, looks like it might hold, so I get back in. Adding again. But then it's going to fail to close above the resistance. So at that point, I just exited for a small loss. On second thought, well, it looks stronger than I thought, so I'm back in again. I'm exiting quick to get that quick profit. Looking for another quick scalp here. And I'll be exiting to get that quick profit. A lot of upper wicks on this stock. Got to be careful. Here's a dip buy. Looking for a bounce. And getting out, break-even trade. And a redip entry. Selling quick again into the strength. And I got in again because it looked like it was going to be strong. But fool me once and fool me twice. I mean, there's some strength there. I'm adding. Getting ready for that breakout. But it quickly became weak and I had to exit for a loss. So here I'm long at the support of 2052. But boy, it really doesn't look like it's going to hold up, so I just get out. Trying it again, a little bit lower this time. And I gave it a chance to move there, but the bears just have the upper hand. So taking another loss red on that stock. Okay, so with the market bouncing, I decided to try this again. All those upper wicks, though, you know, they're making me nervous. So I bail on the trade. Taking yet another loss. So I'm doing a dip buy here, anticipating a higher low on the 1 minute time frame. But it can't hold, so I'm selling on the flush. I should have been buying at the VWAP, not selling. Taking my own advice and buying off of the VWAP. Just looking for a lower high, but I'm selling on strength. Right there. So making back some of that lot. A dip buy here on that 1 minute candle. And I'm selling as it breaks the high of that last candle. So buying on strength again. And I'm going to add here on the back test of 2058. Expecting an immediate breakthrough 2074. But I'm not getting it, so I'm getting out. Just taking, well, it's basically a break-even trade. So getting back in it now with less risk. Just one order. Still not breaking out, so I'm exiting the trade yet again. Trying it again. Sure is taking a while, but still not breaking. Worried about a flush down, so I exit right there. The more this consolidates, the bigger move we'll see, but I'm trying it once more, expecting an explosive move in either direction. And there it was, right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Taking the profit. I'm long on that next 1 minute candle pullback. And I'm selling as it breaks the previous high. Right there. So last trade of the day, I'm buying the back test of 2074. I'm going to add to it. And selling right about there and making back most of what I lost on the stock. So overall on the day, I went from being almost at my daily goal to dropping deep into the red to coming back up to green, only making $1.18, but it's still a green day.